Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I hope you're fine and enjoy study at home. Before we start, please prepare a pen and your notebook. In previous meeting, I gave you homework to watch a learning video by Miss Amy about accounting. In that video, she has explained about evident transaction, general journal, ledger, trial balance, adjustment journal, and worksheet. Today, I will explain to you about journal. There are 4 points. First, definition of journal. Second, form of general journal. Third, mechanism debit and credit. And fourth, how to record financial transaction into general journal. First, definition of journal. Journal is a daily record about each financial transaction. Financial transaction first record in journal before posting into ledger. Because journal is the first record a transaction, journal also called book of original entry. Second, form of general journal. This is form of general journal. On the top, there are company name, general journal, period, and page. Then there are 5 columns: date, description, reference, debit, and credit. First, date. Column date to record date of the transaction. Second, description. Column description to record name account that must in debit and credit. Third, reference. Column reference to record account number when the data have posting into ledger. And then debit and credit. Column debit and credit used to record the amount of money of the transaction. Each transaction that will record must be analyzed. First, the side account that affected from the transaction. Menentukan akun apa yang dipengaruhi oleh transaksi tersebut. Assets, liabilities, capital, revenue, or expense. Second, the side account that affected is decrease or increase. Menentukan akun yang dipengaruhi bertambah atau berkurang. Third, the side effect of the increase or decrease, the account must in debit or credit. Menetapkan akibat penambahan atau pengurangan tersebut, akun yang bersangkutan harus di debit atau kredit. After that, the transaction record into journal. Next, mechanism debit and credit. This is column to make you easier learn about mechanism debit and credit. There are 5 columns: code account, group account, normal balance, increase, and decrease. Code account 1 is asset. Code account 2 is liabilities. Code account 3 is capital. Code account 4 is revenue, and code account 5 is expense. Normal balance. Asset, normal balance in debit. Liabilities, normal balance in credit. Capital, normal balance in credit, revenue, normal balance in credit, and expense, normal balance in debit. Next, increase and decrease. First, increase. If increase, same with normal balance. So, asset increase in debit, liabilities increase in credit, capital increase in credit, revenue increase in credit, and expense increase in debit. Then decrease. If decrease, opposite with normal balance. So, asset decrease in credit, liabilities decrease in debit, capital decrease in debit, revenue decrease in debit, and expense decrease in credit. Next, how to record financial transaction into General Journal. To record financial transaction into General Journal, first, write year, month, and date of the transaction in column date. Second, debited account. Debited account is right name account that must in debit into column description, and right amount of money in column debit. Third, credited account. Credited account is right name account that must in credit into column description. You must write it below account in debit and write rather right. Then write amount of money in column credit. And next, write short description below account in credit in column description. For example, I use transaction HDCS that we have learned about accounting equation. Transaction 1. 1 January 2005, Mr. Hadi give money 25 million rupiah into cash of company. Let's record the transaction into General Journal. First, write year, month, and date in column date. 2005, January, and when. Next, debited and credited account. Mr. Hadi give money 25 million rupiah into cash of company. Tuan Hadi menyerahkan uang tunai sejumlah 25 juta ke dalam kas perusahaan. So, cash increase and capital increase. Cash increase. Cash is asset. Remember, asset increase in debit. Then capital. Capital increase. Capital increase in credit. So, you write here cash on hand 25 million rupiah in debit and capital Mr. Hadi 25 million rupiah in credit. And then write a short description below account in credit in column description. Transaction 2. 5 January 2005, pay rent expense for 1 year 6 million rupiah. Let's record the transaction into General Journal. First, write the date of the transaction, 5 January. Next, debited and credited account. Pay rent expense For 1 year, 6 million rupiah. Membayar beban sewa untuk 1 tahun sejumlah 6 juta rupiah. So, expense increase and cash decrease. Beban bertambah, kas berkurang. Expense increase in debit and cash decrease in credit. So, you write here, rent expense 6 million rupiah in debit and cash on hand 6 million rupiah on credit. And then, write a short description. Pay rent expense. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for me. Please write down today's material on your notebook. And please record all transaction HDCS into General Journal. If there are questions, please contact me on WhatsApp. Keep safe, keep healthy, and stay at home. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.